Hey everyone! OnePlus is on fire in 2024, launching not one, but two exciting smartphones, the OnePlus 12R and the OnePlus 11. Today, we're diving into each phone, highlighting their key features and giving you a taste of what they offer. So, grab your headphones and let's explore the OnePlus 2024 lineup. First up, the OnePlus 12R. This mid-range powerhouse packs a punch without breaking the bank. Imagine a sleek design with a comfortable, textured back for secure grip. Picture a smooth 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate for silky smooth visuals, perfect for gaming and scrolling. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor delivers serious muscle, handling everyday tasks and even demanding games with ease. Capture stunning memories with the dual-lens rear camera system, featuring a versatile 50MP main sensor and an ultra-wide lens for capturing epic landscapes. But the 12R isn't just about performance. It boasts a long-lasting 4,500 mAh battery that keeps you powered up all day. OnePlus 11. This flagship phone exudes premium vibes. With its curved display and smooth matte finish, immerse yourself in the stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for content creation and entertainment. Powering this beast is the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, the king of performance. Run demanding apps, play graphically intense games, and multitask like a pro. The 11 handles it all effortlessly. The camera system is where the 11 truly shines. Developed with Hasselblad, the triple-lens setup boasts a 50MP main sensor. The 11 doesn't compromise on battery life either. The 5,000 mAh battery keeps you going, and the 100 watts fast charging ensures you're never caught off guard with a low battery. Let us know in the comments below which phone caught your eye and what other tech topics you'd like to see us cover. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech goodness.